we are going to discuss one of the major topic, that is basic geometry. First of all, I want to discuss few major points that are compulsory for students to learn. So, on a line segment, there are infinite number of points. So there are exactly one line that passes through any three distinct points which are collinear, and there is no line that passes through any three distinct points which are non-collinear. The question that may come in your mind is, what are collinear points? Otherwise, it will be non-collinear.